Hey everyone, Mike with NRG Creative, and like I was telling before, I had a new mount in the works for this. Actually, it's not a new mount. It is just taking my existing mount and perfecting it just a little bit more. So here it is. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Stick around. All right, so this is my original side mount here, and this is the new one. Look exactly the same, don't they? Well, they basically are. So let me show you what was going on with the old one. Now, like I said, I've never broken one of these, and it's very, very simple to install. My designs come with a pretty neat little locking mechanism to slip them in there. And you just slide it down here, put the locking collar up, use a set screw, and it holds it in place. But it had just a little bit of wiggle. Let me show you. So when you put this in here, it's like this. This one was real easy, one-hand operation. Slide it down, put this up, and you've got a little bit of wiggle side to side. That was the only issue. Still got great footage, but when your selfie stick was extended up a little bit further, you got more wiggle, than I was happy with. So anyway, the only thing that has changed between that one and this one is I made the top one just a little bit thicker. So when you put this in here, now this is going to require you to don't push down on this, okay? So I don't want you guys to break this top piece off. So how you're going to install this is you're going to set that in there, grab from underneath here, and just push down on this. You'll feel it lock in. From that point, you can attach your collar there, and there's no wiggle room. There's no wiggle whatsoever. This is solid. Matter of fact, the only wiggle that I get is from the actual SEADOO mount. You see there? Nothing at all from the mount. Now, when you go to take this off, pull your thumb screw out. Same thing from the bottom here. Just hold on to it from the bottom, push up, and it comes out. So if you push down on this too hard, I'm afraid you guys are going to break this tab off. So do it properly. Just push down one more time. One hand, just like this. Just snap it down in there. Then put your locking collar on. Move it up. Attach your thumb screw. You're good to go. When you go ready to take it off, remove your thumb screw and just push up here. Don't pull it. Push up here. You'll feel the tab underneath. Just like that. So that is the new one, and like I said, you really can't tell the difference between the old one. So it's exactly the same. It still holds up to the 28 millimeter selfie stick. It screws in place. It's not coming out. So, and then you can also use your set screw. Once you put that in there, it will also, you can tighten it down where it'll take that little tiny bit of wiggle out of there. But you don't even have to do that if you don't want to. But that's it, guys. So all these that are shipping now will be like this. If for some reason you are afraid that you're going to break this off and you don't really care about that little bit of wiggle, just let me know and I will send you one of the old ones. But anyway, these are every single one of these. Before I ship it to you, will be tried on my ski to assure that it fits. Fair enough? Guys, check them out. Links are in the description. Talk to you next time.